what happens to a student if they fall sick? And not just like a fever kind of a sick that you take paracetamol and you're fine, but if you need like some medical care,
They will deport.
they will deport.
No, direct deport to Delhi only. Otherwise, they put you back to the UKGs. 2 months before I had asked medicine, I imported from India.
Now make it more affordable for us, please. A lot of trouble in getting medication, in getting right advice, actually having to leave the country and
Yes.
go back. Because they have to, they can't afford to fall sick. So, you know.
And also, majority of the Indians are facing some skin allergies.
You guys have paid a lot of money for health insurance.
Yes.
But all these horror stories I hear, you have to wait for months and months. What's all about? You know, if as a student, your parents are worried, you are here alone, you know, struggling, figuring things out. What happens if you fall sick?
Better to take our own rest and our own meditation.
Yeah.
Because if you go for NHS, we need to book our GP and we need to wait maybe for 2 to 3 days, 4 days for getting appointment.
GP is a general physician.
General physician,
Yeah.
practitioner.
General practitioner.
So
You have to pre-book the practitioner.
everything is online here.
Everything is-
2 months before, I had accident in my warehouse. One box is falling on my hand. I got swelling here. I booked an appointment. I didn't get the appointment right, so I walked through the NHS. But they take some extras and all. The doctor just simply said me that you're okay. It will okay. You will take three weeks time. After that, it will go. There is no meditation. There is no. Even I asked any bandages for the knife stick. So he said no need. No.
So you called Angel and asked, "Hey, can you?"
No. I have some other friends, nursing students. So I asked them and they prefer some medicine. I imported from India.
We got some for Ramal as well from India.
Little bit, we have some issues. So it's true. It's okay because we have 6 crores people in UK, but we only have 1%, I think, or less than 1% is NHS staff. So it will be a major issue for us.
It's important to stay healthy.
Wherever we are working, make sure we are doing our job perfectly, slowly and clearly. And even in the home or where you are traveling, whatever it is, make sure you are doing it legally.
Yes.
Even booking a cab also.
Right.
You are,
Because if you are in trouble and then you were found somewhere breaking the law, then it's
the
even
law is
better.
strict here. If we are following the rules, we are okay.
We are okay.
Otherwise, they will deport.
They will deport.
No, direct deport to Delhi only. They will not allow you to home. They will ask you to pay the fees and fines. Then only you can. Otherwise, they put you back to the UKGs.
You can. Anyways, never break the law, guys. Yeah, that's a given. But yeah, why I wanted to talk about it because I heard certain stories from students that I paid such a large amount for NHS for my international health
National insurance.
Students cover, and I actually call my friend, my doctor in India, when I am sick to understand what to do. And say that health cover is not of value, and it should be cheaper.
Yeah.
So I mean, if anybody from the UK government is going to watch this, that's a request from the Indian students. Make it more affordable for us, please. And I've heard, other stories where students have had a lot of trouble in getting medication, in getting right advice, actually having to leave the country and go back. We all joke that why people in Western countries go to the gym is because they can't afford to fall sick. So,
And also, majority of the Indians are facing some skin allergies. Here is sunlight is less.
Yes.
Vitamin D is less. So make sure you have some precaution for that. If you have some allergies or all, take a meditation from the India itself, prescription all, and bring it here.
And I think very important to be part of your community, because what problem somebody else is facing, learn from that, avoid to face that problem, and if you still do, you know the answers beforehand. Any other thing that you guys would like to talk about?
Booking accommodation from India. There are scams. So make sure.
We paid a lot of money for that.
Yeah, almost 3 lakhs rupees we are paying.
What was that scam?